For this assignment, you're going to be finding websites that can answer each of the following questions about yourself. So once you do that, you will also need to hyperlink them. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first question, where were you born? So for me, the answer is Osborne, Kansas. And then I will have to open up another tab here and Google search Osborne, Kansas. And then you just pick a website that deals with your answer. And so I might just pick this one. And so then I'm going to go up and copy the link. So Control C to copy it. And then now, if I highlight my answer, and if I do a Control K, it's going to pop this up, and all I'm going to do is paste in the link. And then when I say apply, it's now made that clickable to go to my answer. And so then same thing just throughout all of them. So what I'm looking for is appropriate websites and that you hyperlinked all of your answers to a website.